Then comes the dashboard. So with all of these items which I spoke of, you just get your default widgets and dashboards where you go by phase or work package or which user this particular task is assigned to, and you just do module wise or process wise, and you get your widgets automatically in terms of the status wise or the users the resource utilization in terms of the stakeholders with the highest number of issues and how many has been completed, how many is active, how many is pending, and so on. And then you have your burn down chart as well in terms of your project items or your task items, like day on day, how many has been completed, how many has moved from new to active or active to completed or active completed to approved, and so on.